and I'm back with another deep clear coat scratch repair. So I'm using the Kovacs dry sanding kits from Spray Blast Inspect. These kits, guys, are absolutely goated. They are perfect for anyone transitioning over from wet sanding to dry sanding. Pros or even beginners, they have everything you need in it to be able to dry sand, and they are less messy than wet sanding. So you would have noticed at the start that I was rubbing with 1500 grit horizontally, but I actually changed it up at the end with 2000 grit in circular motions. The reason why I've done this is it's actually going to be a hell of a lot easier for your dual action or rotary in this case to remove those light, finer circular sanding marks than it is to remove those horizontal sanding marks. So try this out, let me know how you go.